It's match day 2 in Group A at the Prince Moulay Abdallah Stadium. Hosts Morocco take on resilient Mali in a tense half-con showdown. The Atlas Lions dominate early, controlling possession and creating chances, but it's goalless until first-half stoppage time. VAR steps in penalty to Morocco. Brahim Diaz steps up coolly and slots it home in the 45+5 minute. 1-0 Morocco, Rabat erupts, party popper. Second half, Mali fight back. In the 68th minute, another spot kick after a foul in the box. Lassane Sissoko smashes it in for the equalizer. 1-1, fire. The hosts push hard late, shots rain down, keeper Djigui Diarra makes huge saves, but Mali hold firm with grit and 8 yellows. Full time, Morocco 1-1 Mali. The Eagles earn a valuable point, while the Atlas Lions are left frustrated at home. Group A stays wide open.